Tap in, tap in, tap in. Say, man, y'all know what time it is. Tap in, tap in. Hey, listen. Remember I told y'all. Remember I was telling y'all about this Pooh Shiesty situation? What I tell y'all? Man, don't play with these people, man. Don't play with the feds, man, okay? And everybody trying to figure out, why did that lawyer jump off that case? That lawyer jumped off that case because that lawyer knew one thing. He knew that it was a lot of more evidence involved. One thing about that lawyer, they knew it was a lot of more evidence involved. Remember, I'm the one that told y'all, I said, say, man, listen. Pooh Shiesty don't got no business trying to go to trial. Listen to me, man. Pooh Shiesty ain't got no business trying to go to no trial. Whoever's sitting there talking to Pooh Shiesty, they supposed to be telling him, say, man, don't you go to no trial. If you go to trial, it's going to be a very long time before you see the free world again. You will be probably 60-something years old before you see the free world again if you try to take them folks to trial. Man, remember, I'm telling y'all this. This is what I always tell y'all. Pay attention, man. Just pay attention. They not doing no plan. They not doing no plan when it come down to Pooh Shiesty. Big 30. All them boys. It ain't say. They not playing with them. Earlier today, you know what just happened? They said we got 100 gigabytes of information, of evidence against Pooh Shiesty. If y'all don't know, 100 gigabytes is a lot of gigabytes. Gigabytes mean that they have a lot of information off of the cell phones, and guess what? They might got some camera footage. You remember they told y'all, well, there ain't no more camera footage, it ain't there. They'll tell y'all anything. They'll tell y'all anything until it's time to get ready to go to court. Now the DA is gonna say, hey, here goes some more evidence. Now the lawyer's sitting there looking at that evidence saying, you know what they're saying? Ooh, man, it's gonna be a hard one. Well, it ain't gonna be hard. You know you weren't gonna beat that case. The best thing for Pooh Shiesty to do is go down there and sign for 20 years. If Pooh Shiesty don't go down there and sign for 20 years or 15 years, Pooh Shiesty is going to be looking for a long time. And the only reason why he's going to get probably 15 to 20 years is because they're going to make him sign. What you mean they're going to make him sign, dude? This is what I mean. This is how they're going to make him sign. It's easy. It's very easy, y'all. I'm finna give you the game. All they're going to do is this here. Do you want organized crime? Do you want kidnapping? Do you want all them charges to go away? If you sign for aggravated robbery right now, we'll take organized crime off the shelf. We'll take kidnapping off the shelf. If you sign right now, and you know what he's gonna say? I might as well. I fucked up. Remember I told y'all that. Remember I told y'all that. Because if he don't sign, they're going to put organized crime on every last one of them. After they put organized crime on them, they are going to backdoor it and put aggravated robbery. They're going to put kidnapping. They are going to get a felon with a firearm. All of these charges will go against Pooh Shiesty. Pooh Shiesty can't stand up under all that. And guess what? If any of them people that's convicted felons, they can't stand up under that. They are going to say, hey, let me sign right now to get this out the way. They're going to grab the paperwork and they're going to sign and get out the way because they knowing the feds is not playing. They held that evidence for the last draw to show y'all, say, man, we square business. The last lawyer that Pooh Shiesty had, I already knew. That's why that lawyer said, I'm going to get out the way. Y'all think he just got out the way and he started talking about you. I know it's weak. We are, I know the case weak and everything. If it's so weak, why you didn't stay on it? They paid you good money. Why you didn't stay on it? I know why you didn't stay on it. Because you knew that it was a lot more that's finna come out. And you knew that it was gonna mess up your record. It's all a game. It's all a game. And remember, I hope anybody out there right now can see the play. If y'all sit back watching it, y'all need to see the play. Man, the streets is a myth. If you still outside and you trying to play street ball, I always remember, it's a hard fall. It's a hard fall. So wake up and smell the flavor. Wake up and realize that it's real, man. Just wake up and realize, bro, it's really real. Not trying to be funny. Just keeping it real. Say, man, it's really real, man. And that's all I got to say. So everybody that was sitting around and that started talking about free Pooh Shiesty, it's going to be a long time. Y'all might as well get y'all shirts together. Get y'all Pooh Shiesty shirts together. Because it's going to be a long time and it's going to be a long road. So y'all better start being smart. Quit looking up to this fight here that don't make sense. See, this don't make sense. It's called foolery. That's all I'm trying to do is make y'all think, man. Pay attention and realize that it's bigger than what y'all think. Everybody run the likes up on this one, man. Subscribe to the channel. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it going, man. Let's put out some real content to make the world think. You know what I'm saying? Let's stop trying to be a part of, but try to sit back and try to create something to where we ain't got to continue to be caught up with the things that don't even make no sense. Because it didn't make sense what Pooh Shiesty did. It don't make no sense, boss. You made a mistake. Your mistake gonna cost you, boss. So with that being said, man, y'all stay up, man. And y'all keep winning. Battle tested. It's a lifestyle. Let's go.